The Durban High Court is expected to sentence brothers Dylan and Ned Govender for attempted murder, assault with intent to cause grievous bodily harm and common assault. In May, the accused were found not guilty on a charge of murder of the murder of Mondli Majola during the civil unrest in Phoenix in KwaZulu-Natal in 2021. Majola was among at least 30 people who were believed to have been killed in Phoenix during the unrest. Over 300 people in KwaZulu-Natal and Gauteng died during the violent unrest. A bit later on, we'll be in conversation with SABC News reporter Vusi Khumalo. Okay, I see that Vusi Khumalo.
Yes, it has been a long, drawn-out legal battle for the two Govender brothers who were initially accused of murdering Mondli Majola, the then 19-year-old matriculant who was also studying at Phoenix. You'll recall that the events of the 2021 July unrest in Phoenix, which emerged as one of the bloodiest places in Phoenix, where 37 people were killed, and most of them brutally. So the 19-year-old Mondli Majola was amongst that group of people. According to what we have seen and also heard in court, was that Mondli Majola, alongside three of his friends, Xolisi Putuzo, Nkuleko Mangwe, as well as Nkuleko Mkovu, went to Phoenix. According to the version of the friends who later testified here in court, who also survived the ordeal, say that they were in Phoenix just to go on about the area and go to other nearby areas. They were then attacked by a group of Indian people in Phoenix who had made makeshift blockages in order to ensure that they do protect their businesses. As you recall, that there was chaos in the country, especially in Phoenix. There was also looting that took place alongside some of the hardware outlets that are found in the Phoenix area. So they were then attacked by a group of Indians, according to what you have heard here in court, and especially about the two Govender brothers. According to their version, their testimony in court, three brothers, three friends of Mondli Majola were the ones who testified and also said that Dylan is the one who pulled the trigger. But that one also came out as one of the main bone of contention, because the state did believe that Dylan Govender is the one who inflicted that gunshot wound on Mondli Majola, while the defense is saying that Mondli Majola could have died from a stab wound that was allegedly inflicted by one of the persons whom the police are still failing to arrest at this moment. So the court was saying that the defense. So the court was also saying that according to some of the evidence that has emerged in court, the state failed to prove beyond any reasonable doubt that also the state that fails in order to ensure that they pinned down on really who were the people who actually killed Mondli Majola. So the court said that because the state failed to prove any reasonable doubts that they also killed Mondli Majola, so they were not found guilty on murdering Mondli Majola, of which was a shock, especially here in court, by a number of people, only finding the two Govender brothers having attempted to kill other three victims who later became the witnesses here, and also the assaults with grievous bodily harm, as well as common assaults on some of the witnesses who later become who are the victims of this matter. So today is the sentencing. We're going to see the sealing of the fate, especially with regards to the two Govender brothers who have been found guilty on those 3 charges, of which are intent assault with the intent to do grievous bodily harm, common assault, as well as attempted murder on one of the victims during the 2021 July civil unrest. So today they are appearing today. They were out on bail since from the beginning. As you recall that Phoenix was one of those areas where there was a lot of chaos leading to resulting in the killing of 37 people. And I must say that other matters that regards to in connection with the Phoenix killings, they are going through some prosecutorial stages. They are also in other various courts here in areas such as Durban, Verulam, as well as Phoenix.
Thank you so much, Vusi Khumalo there. We'll get an update with regards to that judgment that is expected to be handed down a bit later on.